Hello woodworker, my name is Jonas and today I'll tell you all the information about Tedswoodworking. The first thing you need to know about Tedswoodworking is that this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website in the description of this video. Now I will introduce you to the product. What is Tedswoodworking course? Tedswoodworking is a great choice for over 16,000 woodworking projects. It gives people an easy way to design home furniture, garden benches, kennels, bird feeders, sheds and more, made by professional woodworker, trainer and AWI member Ted McGrath. This guide outlines the steps needed to effectively finish woodwork. This course provides participants with the necessary skills to become a woodworker. Likewise, there are 16,000 woodworking programs that allow users to create many projects. But with so many woodworking kits on the market these days, is Tedswoodworking worth it? Is it even enough to justify anything? The model guides the user step by step through the woodworking process. Additionally, numerous graphics, videos and other images inform the developers of the project. If people pay close attention to it, they will learn all the basic skills applicable to any project. The package Tedswoodworking is a series of many woodworking plans. It also lists primary resources to build woodwork projects for home, business, office, or any other area. This is a practical woodworking course that is true and most comprehensive. The Tedswoodwork kit contains approximately 16,000 wooden constructs, which user can quickly build using step-by-step guidance. This woodwork program not only makes users happy but also makes people unleash their artistic side. Tedswoodworking includes a step-by-step handbook for project construction. This gives users the experience of studying woodworking lessons. The directions are so user-friendly that it gives them the feeling that they learn from master woodworkers. Tedswoodworking also contains a list of cutting methods and materials for any project. This list will encourage them to choose the necessary equipment for the project. Thus, one would save a lot of money by following this list. It would also please users if the job is over and not a single piece of wood is disposed of out as waste. Another important warning is that you have a 60-day guarantee, so if you for any reason do not like this product, you will get your money back. Again, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Tedswoodworking actually helps you in your woodworking projects.